Hi everyone. Today we're learning about imperative verbs, the words that help us give commands, make requests, and give instructions. Are you ready to be the boss of verbs? Let's go. Imperative verbs are action words we use to tell someone what to do. They appear in sentences that give commands or requests. For example, sit down. Please open your book. Don't run in the hall. See, each sentence. Imperative sentences have some special features. First, they always start with a verb. Second, they usually don't have a subject. The word you is understood. For example, we say, close the door, not, you close the door. And third, imperatives can sound polite or strong, depending on how we say them. Close the door is a command. Please close the door is a polite request. Imperatives can be used in different ways. To give commands, like, stop talking. To make requests, like, please help me. To give instructions, like, mix the flour and sugar. Or to give advice, like, eat healthy food. They're all imperative sentences. We use imperatives all the time in real life. Teachers use them. Open your books. Recipes use them. Add the milk and stir well. And road signs use them too. Stop, keep left, or slow down. Imperatives help us understand what action to take. Let's do a quick quiz. Which of these are imperative sentences? 1. She is reading a book. 2. Read your book. 3. The boy jumped high. 4. Please pass the salt. Got your answers? Yes. Numbers 2 and 4 are imperatives because they tell someone to do something. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English fun. See you next time.